Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about new updates in Microsoft Excel. So please watch this video till then so that you can understand it completely. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. So let's get started. In Microsoft Excel, now you can do the data cleanup with the help of Copilot. With Copilot in Excel, you can clean data with just one click, and clean data detects and offers solution for text inconsistencies, number format issues, and extra spaces. This feature is now available to Excel for the web users and will be rolling out to Windows desktop users in the coming months. Right? So with the help of Copilot Excel, you can remove the text inconsistencies and the number format issues. Right? But this feature is currently available only for the web users. To do the data cleanup, you just need to select the clean data option in the data tab of the ribbon, or just interact with the pop-up banner to get started. As you can see here, we have this show suggestions, right? So it is saying that there are 4 data inconsistencies and formatting issues, right? So Copilot will be able to understand what are the inconsistencies in your Excel data. Now with the help of Copilot in Excel, you can check the text inconsistency in the cells of the same value. And this feature seeks to identify unnoticed variations across similar values that could cause the subsequent problems. For example, a column with a mix of uppercase and lowercase text in the cells, or cells in a column containing differences in punctuation or diacritics. Clean data will locate these inconsistencies and will help you to easily correct them. As you can see, this is the pop-up which will come up, and here you notice that we have Excel and then Excel in capital letter, and there is one which is Excel with the dot, and Copilot will suggest you that you can just select whatever you want and then replace it with the just Excel keyword, and then you can click on apply. So text inconsistencies will be detected and removed. Now with the help of Copilot, you can also resolve the number format inconsistency of a column. And the purpose of this feature is that with the help of this feature, columns with a mix of both text and number formatted cells that could result in incorrect calculations. Clean data will locate these inconsistencies and will help you to convert the text formatted cells to a number format. Right? So here you can see that it is saying column D contains both number and text cells. And then it is prompting you to check if you would like the column to be consistent, consider converting the text cells to number, and then you can just click on apply. Next is extra space removal suggestions. With the help of Copilot, clean data will also detect and suggest the removal of unnecessary spaces in the highlighted table, such as extra leading spaces, trailing spaces, and between values spaces. Right? So here if you notice in the window, it is saying that table 11 may have redundant extra spaces, and do you want to remove them? Right? So Copilot will analyze your data and find out the places where you have these extra spaces, and then it will suggest that you can remove these spaces which are not required. If you want to ignore, you can just click on ignore. And if you notice here that we have this Microsoft Excel where we have this extra space, so that also will be detected by the Copilot. There are some practical tips. Here are some helpful pointers for getting the most out of clean data feature. Clean data works best with the tabular data of up to 100 columns and 50,000 rows. So there is this limit. Clean data works best with the data that is formatted as an Excel table. To create an Excel table, you just need to click anywhere in your data and then select Home Tables and Format as Table. While not limited to English, clean data is initially going to perform best in English. So it is currently supporting the English language. So these are the new features which have been introduced in Microsoft Excel. If you like this video, please click on the like button and please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, please post it in the comments section. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.